Have you ever noticed a subtle change in your breathing, a whisper of concern that your lungs might be working harder than usual? Understanding these shifts can be a game changer for your health. Recognizing a worsening COPD breathing problem means being aware of specific changes to your usual symptoms, such as new or increased shortness of breath, more coughing, or a change in your mucus. These are often the first signals that your condition might be moving towards an exacerbation, which is a flare-up. The core mechanism behind a worsening COPD breathing problem is often increased inflammation and mucus production within your airways, making them narrower. This can be triggered by infections, irritants like smoke, or even weather changes. Your body tries to fight off the trigger, but this response further constricts the already compromised airways, leading to greater breathing difficulty and other symptoms. To effectively recognize these changes, start by regularly monitoring your breathing. Pay attention to how many steps you can take before needing to rest, or if routine activities suddenly feel harder. Watch for an increase in how often you cough or if your cough feels more forceful. Also, observe your mucus. Is there more of it? Has its color changed from clear to yellow, green, or brown? Is it thicker than usual? Keeping a simple log of these daily observations can help you spot trends quickly. Additionally, notice if you are feeling more tired or generally unwell than normal, as this can also be a subtle sign. An important detail to look out for is what medical professionals call tripoding, which is when you lean forward and brace your arms on your knees or a table to help breathe more easily. This posture helps your respiratory muscles work more efficiently. Also, listen for increased wheezing or a whistling sound during breathing, which indicates narrowed airways. These are clear signs that your lungs are struggling and requiring immediate attention. By consistently tracking your breathing patterns and paying close attention to changes in your cough, mucus, and overall energy levels, you can empower yourself to act quickly. Early recognition and communication with your healthcare team can prevent a mild worsening of symptoms from escalating into a severe COPD exacerbation, helping you maintain a better quality of life and better manage your lung health.